It sucks when you want to get your collagen-laden beverage down, but instead find yourself chewing, or worse, choking on clumps. Yuck. Factor times 10. I'm going to let you in on some tips on how to mix collagen powder without clumping that are super easy. You'll never have to feel torn about your collagen shakes and smoothies again. One tip you can try is mixing collagen into hot beverages. When collagen powder is mixed with a warm or hot liquid, you just need to stir it a few times. If you've heard of the collagen coffee trend and absolutely hate the idea, don't worry. You aren't stuck mixing your collagen powder into coffee and other hot beverages or meals if you want to avoid clumps. But this is definitely the easiest way to prevent clumps. As long as your beverage or hot meal is under 302 degrees Fahrenheit, your collagen powder will still work the way it's meant to and will be safe to consume too. Your cup of tea, coffee, or hot chocolate, whatever you enjoy, your collagen with is usually around 195 to 205 degrees Fahrenheit at the time of brewing. To be safe, wait 2 or 3 minutes after the kettle has boiled. Another way to prevent clumping in collagen is to mix your collagen into cold beverages. The number one tip is to use a little warm water first. Mix your powder with a little bit of warm water or milk. It doesn't need to be too warm. You can even try out lukewarm water and see if that works with your powder. I would give it a stir or shake first to dissolve it before adding anything else. But this trick should work fine if you just add the warm water and then add the cold liquid. Secondly, you can also try mixing collagen with a blender. I love using the blender because it's a lot more powerful and in many cases quicker. But as I'm sure many of you can attest, sometimes not even a blender will get rid of the clumps. With the addition of warm water in the beginning, this is no longer a problem. For wonderfully smooth shakes, pulse your shake a few times first. Then blend continuously for about 30 seconds or until your shake is completely blended. If you don't have a blender, use a decent shaker. A good shaker is the best way to have a clump-free collagen shake. Using a shaker is no problem when you add that bit of warm water first. Again, I would stir the collagen powder and water or whatever warm liquid you're using to ensure it mixes well. But the whole point of a shaker is to use it as the mixer. To achieve the smooth texture, without stirring first, you can still add the cold ingredients in after the warm water. Then shake it vigorously for about 30 seconds. Open the shaker up to check the consistency. Shake it a little longer if necessary. Voila! You have a clump-free shake. Lastly, make sure you use a high-quality collagen powder. Clean brands generally have recognizable ingredients that we all can pronounce and usually identify without too much hassle because the ingredients are minimally processed and aren't chemicals. You can check out some of the best collagen drinks below in the description. Hope this video helped give you ideas for a clump-free shake.